Hello my beautiful darlings and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this cute Euphoria look, and honestly I had so much fun with doing this look. I will have the picture of the original right here, and I also have this cute top from my Shein, and it's actually going to be in my Shein haul. That's what I meant to say. It's going to be in my Shein haul next week, so make sure you guys look out for that because this is such a cute top. I really want to show you the rest of it, but stay tuned for next week's tutorial. But this is the look for today, and I honestly had so much fun, like I said. So if you want to know how to get this cute Euphoria look, then continue on watching. Hey my beautiful darlings, welcome back. It's Jacnical, your girl, but we're going to start with the tutorial. I grabbed my e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer in Fair Warm, and I just put it on my lid in like 3 dots and like blended it all out, but super easy. Went in my Facecandy eye palette. Girl, if you don't know what this is, you need to check it out. It's amazing. So I'm going in the shade Tidal, and it's a very light, kind of like opaque kind of blue. It's really cute. I really like it on the eyelid, and honestly, I love shimmer shadows. I don't do too much of it since y'all don't ask me for it, but now I'm going into the shade Swell. It's a darker kind of blue, and we're honestly going to do a gradient cut crease. That's what the Euphoria look that I'm trying to recreate did. But we're just making a cut crease, and we're just going in now Vanished, which is like the darkest blue shimmer shadow on the palette. It's so cute. We're just going to take it in the outer corner and drag it in. I'm going to buff it under my waterline, and I'm going to clean it up. And now we're just going in some eyeliner from e.l.f. And just a side note, I also put black liner in my waterline, so yeah. And for the gems, I got it from Dollar Tree, so this is a very quick snippet of me putting it on. But yeah, you can also get it from Amazon. I will have the link down below for you, so don't worry. And putting on some BYF lashes because it was sent to me. But now we're going on to foundation. You know, I've been using e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Foundation for a minute. I'm using the shade Vanilla, and I love the finish. Super affordable. You know, I'm trying to watch out for your pennies, girls. Really great. I really love how long it lasts, and it's really cheap. I will have the link down below, but yeah, I really love it. Also going back in that concealer that I used for my eyeshadow. It's again from e.l.f. I've been loving e.l.f., you guys. I don't know, just saving my penny nowadays, you know. I feel just this adrenaline every time I'm saving money. So don't come for me if I'm using e.l.f. I love e.l.f. I love it. I love it. I love it. But we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. You know, I use a small beauty blender. It just really gets in the crooks and crannies. And yeah, posing off. But now we're using my favorite Airspun. I know I gotta switch this off. I'm trying to think of another one, a dupe for it, but I really can't find another one. If you have another one, leave it down in the comment section below. But this is what I'm using right now, and we're just placing in the places that we set the concealer under our eyes, because I really crease up down there, and also on my chin and my forehead whenever I smile, or when I'm like going to the grocery store. I mean, I'm not going to go to the grocery store, but you know what I mean. Now going in my favorite blush at the moment, this Milani blush, and I will have the link down below for that. Next off, we're going in Anastasia contour palette, and I'm not showing another one to you guys because I don't know another better contour palette. So if you have a suggestion, leave it down below. But we're going in Anastasia highlighter. Again, link down below, but I really like how it's on the high points of the model's face or actress's face in Euphoria. Gonna keep it poppin'. But next off, we're going with lips. Again, e.l.f. Cosmetics, don't come for me. I'm trying to save a penny. But we're gonna go ahead and do the darker shadow of the lipstick in the outer corners, and then the lighter shadow in the middle. Honestly, you could do either one. Again, they're very close to nude, so very sheer, very natural. But yeah, I really enjoyed this look. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe down below if you are new, because, you know, gotta be a part of the Dahhhlings family. But I will see you in the next week's tutorial, and be safe. Love you.